These are the tools you need to disassemble an Htc Evo 4G. You need at least a pick, a T9 bit for a screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. After taking the back off, there's 6 screws you have to remove. Make sure you remove the memory card, because that is actually attached to the circuit board and you can damage the phone by leaving it in there. Then the 6 screws are right there, 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 and there. You'll need the T9 bit for this screw. After removing the screws, you're going to have to take the pick and run it along the side, right where the seam is. Carefully remove the back door. Now in the back housing, you have the external speaker for speakerphone, the flash for the camera, and the kickstand. On the circuit board, there's one Phillips head screw right on the corner of the board. After removing that, you have to take the barcodes off. These just peel off. They're not usually glued down. Now you'll note there's 3 cables on every Htc Evo. This one happens to be the wide cable. There's also a screen that has a thinner cable. It comes to about here. To remove these, the first one down you have to pop up. This one you pop towards the middle of the phone, and this one again you pop towards you. Now you can angle the board and pull out all 3 cables very carefully. This cable actually goes to the digitizer, which is actually stuck on the board. This one goes to the LCD, and this is the front-facing camera. Up here you have the earpiece to the phone. That completes the disassembly. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.